We are a community of independent people who want to change the world by our own free will. The success of the MMM community lies in our hands, those of the participants of MMM. That's why it is good and a very encouraged actually practice to share with your happiness of receiving help with the rest of the world. In this way, more and more people will see that in the MMM community, members truly help each other. Ultimately, they will be encouraged to take part in it. The community will become stronger in this way, more stable, and everyone will benefit from it. The money can become useful only when they are in a constant circulation. It's very important, constant circulation between all the members of a society, not only a small part of it, how it happens usually nowadays. So after you have received help, there will appear a window where you should write a letter of happiness. In the case it didn't appear, it's not a problem. You can find it right here in your request. Write a letter of happiness. So click on it, and you can see here that there are a few things that have to be included in your letter. They don't necessarily have to be in the exact same form, same order. You can write it as a simple letter to your friend, but these fingers need to be there in any place of the letter. So the things that have to be there, it's your name, your status, if you're a simple participant, guider, 10,000 guider, 100 guider, whoever you are, your residence, where you're living, as well as the amount and date of a given assistance and the amount of the received assistance. So you can go ahead and write it all there. I have a text ready, so I'm just gonna paste it here. So as you can see, I'm very happy to share that I have really received my first help from the MMM community in the amount of $100. I'm just a simple participant of the MMM community that lives in UK. I have helped previously in January 2016 with $500. However, these $100 are only the referral bonuses. My name is Anna, and I'm going to tell everyone about MMM. I thank each member of the MMM community. Together we change the world. Scroll down. If you wish, you can upload a picture with yourself, as it's written here. If you want to attach some suitable picture, payment document, or your selfie where you are wearing MMM t-shirt, you are welcome. So if you want to do that, just do that picture, upload it on your computer, and then if you click Browse File, you will be able to find it in your computer and attach it. So you may choose as well, which is very important, to record a video and attach it to your letter of happiness. In this case, you will receive 5% of your Get Help amount, so the amount you received. If I received $100, then I'll get $5 if your face are in this video. So if you show your face, your own voice, everything is there in the video, then you're gonna get 5% out of it. And it's not a little money if you receive, for example, £1,000 or dollars, or even more, 1,500, 10,000, 50,000, or 500,000. And as well, there's 3% if you don't show your face. Note that it's very important, if you do that video, to be your own voice. You cannot use robots or anything else, because your video will be rejected in this case. So do that video only if you do it with your own voice, whether you choose to do it with your face or without. And what I wanted to say about these videos is that there are cases in MMM when MMM members were receiving even thousands of dollars as help. Like in a recent case, a young lady received $500,000. It's true. And you can go ahead and find those videos on YouTube called MMM Pays. So it's really inspiring when you watch these kind of videos and you understand that the power is really in our hands. We can and we're worth living an abundant life. These videos are just blowing my mind sometimes. So do use it as well if you want some more percentages, some more gifts from the community. So if you choose to do that video, everything is explained here how you should do it. You should upload it on your YouTube channel, and how to do that is very easy. You can just go on YouTube and try to find videos where it's written how to upload a video on YouTube. Just type that in YouTube and you'll find it all that you need. Or you can ask your guider. Your guider definitely knows about it. So after you have inserted your link right here, do click on send. But if you didn't make a video and you don't insert here any link, remember to unclick this little thing, because obviously if there's no video, then there's no bonus, and there's no point to click on it because obviously you're not going to get a bonus for no video. So next, click on send, and it's all done. You wrote your letter of happiness, and mind that if you wrote everything correctly, then you can forget about it. However, if you didn't write something right, for example, you didn't include all the details that were written there, like your name, your status, the amount of received help, and so on, then you'll receive a letter back asking you to rewrite the letter of happiness so that it corresponds to the standard that is given. Afterwards, if you choose, if you want, if you go to My Page tab and click My Letters of Happiness, you can, I already wrote it, you can see them all here written. So that's about it as well. It's important to know that I remind you, you cannot create another request to receive help until you don't write the letter of happiness for the previous help received. Yeah, so only if you write a letter of happiness, you can then request help again. Otherwise, you cannot. That's about it. As easy as that. Thank you for watching.